Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your profile on the Kerala PSC Thulasi portal. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Enter the URL www.keralapsc.gov.in in the address bar to access the official Kerala PSC website. Step 2. Navigate to the Thulasi portal. Once on the home page, look for the Thulasi option, which is typically found in the main menu. Click on it to proceed to the Thulasi login page. Step 3. Select the login option. On the Thulasi portal page, find the login button. This will take you to the login interface where you can enter your credentials. Step 4. Enter your credentials. You will see fields for entering your user ID and password. Carefully type in your registered user ID and the corresponding password. Ensure there are no typos, as accuracy is essential for a successful login. Step 5. Complete the CAPTCHA verification. Before clicking the login button, you may be prompted to enter a CAPTCHA code. This is a security feature to ensure that you are a real user. Enter the characters as shown in the box to verify. Step 6. Click on the login button. After entering your credentials and completing the CAPTCHA verification, click the login button to access your profile. Step 7. Access your profile. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Thulasi profile dashboard. Here, you can view and manage your profile details, check notifications, and access various services provided by the Kerala PSC. Step 8. Log out after use for security reasons. Always remember to log out of your account once you have finished your session. You can usually find the logout option at the top right corner of the page. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button on this video.